Season is expected to get busier, as you should expect your W-2 soon if you haven't received it already. The IRS is warning taxpayers, though, that changes in the past year could mean changes to your refund.
KCBD News Channel 11's Case Wilbanks sat down with the preparer today to learn more.
Whether just a few forms or a box full, now's the time to get it together.
We expect the season to ramp up and get really busy here pretty quick.
Accountant Kevin Dunnigan says Tuesday's deadline for W-2s to be sent out means they should be in your mailbox soon. He advises you to collect that information and anything else from 2022 before you begin filing.
Use last year as a guide and go back through last year's return and make sure you've at least got all those documents, and then if there's anything changed, have that in there as well.
What changes for everyone is the return to a pre-pandemic-like tax season.
We're back to pre-2020, pre-COVID era credits and deductions. We don't have any of the special stimulus payments or the advanced child tax credit payments or any of that this year.
The IRS advises the child tax credit is back to $2,000 per dependent. Earned income is back to $560 for eligible taxpayers with no children, and child and dependent care credit returns to a maximum of $2,100. For some, that may result in what's known as refund shock, not getting back as much as you expect.
And therefore, a lot of people might be shocked by that if they were planning on it.
Dunnigan says the biggest error he sees is missed reporting of income or necessary documents, so start gathering it all now and file as soon as you can to avoid falling behind or victim of identity theft. The tax filing deadline is April 18th for individuals, or you may need an extension.
Understand the extension is an extension of time to file, not time to pay.
Case Wilbanks, KCBD News Channel 11.